So when you're choosing your radio to go in your car, this is an analog system. We've got ICOM here, we've got Uniden, GME to choose from. The ICOM you can see here is made in Japan. It's known as being a somewhat better quality and is a little bit more robust for the retail market. As I said, it works on an analog system, not digital. And these systems here would be around about the $400 or just above mark for it. And you can buy those from auto shops and camping shops if you need to. But what's just as important as the radio itself are the aerials here. And these aerials here, they might start from around $150. And you can see this particular brand is RFI. And what's important for me with my tours is that I have an aerial that is as robust as I can get, so it's not bouncing all over the place. So I've decided to go for this larger aerial here, which is around the $270 mark, and because we've got a nice heavy duty spring down here, and this is what's been installed in my car right now. So so for the difference of about $100 between the more robust one and the smaller one here, I've decided to go for this more robust one here. So Jack has asked me to come into his shop to show you what he's got here. You can see that we've got the various radios here. We've got the GMEs over here, and down here we've got the ICOMs down there, and a selection of aerials. I've taken some off the board because we're going to show you more details, but you've got to remember that this is retail. This is Jack and radio communication technology. This is a business that Jack's got here, and he does most of his work with the mines where they have a lot more powerful systems, but this is the retail side of the industry, and you can buy these sorts of radios at camping shops and places like that. But if you want to get your aerials and radios installed and checked, then Jack, who's your man here, is down in Canning Vale, and he's very helpful. And Elsit's out the back of the workshop right now fitting the new aerial to my radio, and he found out that there was some problems there, of which he's now fixing, because that's what I need for reliability, so I can communicate with all my people in the convoy. So here we are, there's Elsit, and we are now replacing the old aerial with a new one, more robust one, because with the convoy, that we like 9 cars behind my car here, we need to have total reliability and communicate with the whole group, especially when we're going along dirt tracks, because we could be finding ourselves spread apart by as much as maybe 10 kilometres, especially if we want to keep out of people's dust. And so it's important to have, especially the lead car or the tour guide, to have the best system possible with a good quality aerial. So Elsit here has just taken off an old one, and we're putting on something a lot more robust now here, and we're going to show the aerials in a minute. So this one was about $270, and Elsit is putting that in there now. So Elsit is now putting a connector from the aerial onto the wiring that will go through the firewall or front of the car to the inside cabin area to connect it to the radio. So if for some reason we break the aerial or we need to put a new radio in there, we just undo the connection, and it's a lot easier to fit. So that's what's happening there, and you can see the brand new aerial is now connected. It's very solid. You can see that that's not going to be bouncing all over the way, around the way there. And Elsit's doing a good job there, putting a decent connection on, and it's up nice and high, so if we go through a riverbed, we're not going to get water in there.